So now we'll ask the COA to do a proper audit. But I heard, no, is it true, COA, that the reason that you're not doing your job with the House of Representatives is because you're afraid of the members of the House of Representatives? That's what I heard. Because why will you not audit? Why will you not give a proper audit, no? So yun ang gusto kong tanungin sa COA. Is it true?
Ma'am, sabi ng source, Brother Franco, Miss Ina, mga kababayan, hindi po for free ang special operations na ginawa ng mga Communist Party urban cadre operatives sa loob ng Kongreso like Raul Manuel, Franz Castro, and Arlene Rosas. Eric, pakitanong kay Speaker Martin Romualdez, gaano katotoo po ito? From information ito, mama, sa ating mga sources sa Congress, that they were offered 40 million worth of projects to be funded by the Speaker of the House. Basta atakihin at sirain si Sara Duterte at palalabasin na sila ay nagko-question ng confidential fund and security fund related to the office of the Vice President. Ulitin po namin, Speaker Martin Romualdez, if this is not true, ano po ang naging horse trading at ano po ang naging end of the bargain upang ipagpapatuloy natin na itolerate itong maniobra at atake sa loob ng pamahalaan ng mga known urban operatives of the terrorist organization CPP, NPA, NDF pretending to be part of Congress being party list representatives. Totoo po ba ito ang message na pumasok sa amin dito sa Laban Kasamang Bayan that they were offered 40 million pesos to be funded projects, to be funded by the Speaker's Fund at ito ay papatupad nila including mga rice distribution ng tinatawag na Malaya Rice. At alam natin na ang kasindikatuhan ng CPP, NPA, NDF ay malala. They were able to do that sa panahon ni Judith Aguiwalo na sila'y kumuha ng pondo mula sa gobyerno at mabuti na tunugan ni Pangulong Duterte pinabalik itong 20 million mahigit na cash for work program doon sa mass base area ng NPA nila sa Davao. Ganito rin ba ang nangyayari ngayon, Speaker Martin Romualdez? Just for us to be able to play with politics,